Alright, so I just want to do a little video of the sound system on the Valkyrie. It's just some SSL, Street Legal, whatever, cheapos, plus a Pioneer. I don't know if you can see, but it's a Pioneer under seat sub that I have in my my saddlebag here. So, yeah. Gonna play a kind of bluesy song, but I'll be able to play with or without bass so you can hear the difference. So this volume is, you can see here, almost all the way off. I'll turn it up to about a quarter. So the sub's set to about half. But we'll hear in a second here. Now for comparison, I'll turn that sub off so you can hear what I was working with before. So now that sub is all the way off. It is all I had before. Still not bad. Basically no bass. And I run the sub a little past half. It's not bad.